Find a comfortable seat. Let your body settle. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And let it fall away with a gentle exhale through your mouth. Take another breath, this time slower. Feeling your lungs expand, your chest rising. Exhale fully, letting the weight of the day melt away. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the ground beneath you supporting you, steady and strong. Bring your attention to your hands, these beautiful instruments that create, hold, comfort, and express. Silently say, "Thank you for all you've touched and all you will create." Feel your breath moving in and out, the rhythm of life itself. Whisper to yourself, "Thank you, breath, for keeping me alive, for connecting me to this moment." Turn your awareness to your heart, this steady, faithful drumbeat of your existence. Say softly, "Thank you for loving, for enduring, for carrying my joy and my pain with such grace." Feel into your legs, the pillars that have carried you through every chapter of your journey. Say, "Thank you for the places you've taken me, for holding me upright in this world." And your voice, whether whispered, sung, or silent in thought. Say, "Thank you for helping me share my truth, for speaking life into my dreams." Now, shift your awareness to your mind, this miraculous universe within you. Say, "Thank you for dreaming, imagining, solving, and creating." Bring to mind your past self, every version of you who endured, hoped, and acted to bring you to this very moment. Say, "Thank you for walking me here. I honor every choice, every lesson, every step." Now, imagine a warm, golden light forming in the center of your chest. With each breath in, it grows brighter. With each breath out, it expands, washing through your body. Feel this golden wave of gratitude radiating outward, filling your chest, your arms, your legs, spilling into the space around you. It reaches the people you love, the spaces you live in, the life you are creating. Rest in this warm glow and either aloud or silently affirm, "Everything I desire is already within me, and for that I give thanks." Breathe that truth in. Breathe it out. Take one last deep, slow breath. When you feel ready, open your eyes, carrying this radiant gratitude into the rest of your day.